Pair production, production of electron position pair from a photon. Photoelectric effect, emission of electrons from metallic surface when exposed to electromagnetic radiations. Photovoltaic cell, a device that detects and measures electromagnetic radiation by generating a potential at a junction. Photodiode, a device used to detect light falling on it. Plastic deformation, a permanent deformation of a solid object to an applied stress. Polymeric solids, the solid materials with a structure that is intermediate between ordered and disordered structure. Resistivity, tendency of material to oppose the flow of current. Reverse bias, bias voltage, which when applied to a p-n junction, produces a very small or no current flow. Rectification, conversion of alternating current into direct current.